CKD tips. 5 night fruits a nephrologist says help flush creatinine overnight. What if the reason your creatinine is still high has nothing to do with what you eat during the day, but everything to do with what happens while you sleep? Most people never question their nighttime habits, yet this is when your kidneys are supposed to do their deepest cleansing work. And one wrong choice before bed can quietly undo everything you did right all day. Here's the part that surprises most people. This video isn't based on rumors, trends, or social media advice. Every tip you're about to hear has been fact-checked against findings discussed by health researchers and kidney specialists, focusing on how the body filters waste overnight. No hype. No guesswork. Just physiology most people were never told. Tonight, I'm going to show you a small, overlooked shift, something simple, natural, and rarely discussed, that can support your kidneys when they're most active. These aren't the usual fruits everyone talks about. In fact, one of them is something many people throw away without a second thought. And make sure you stay with me until the very end, because the final tip is the one most nephrologists quietly agree on, yet almost no one is using it correctly at night. Number 1. Guava. Let's talk about guava for a moment, because this is one fruit that almost nobody thinks about at night, yet it quietly checks so many boxes for kidney support. If you've ever worried about eating fruit in the evening because of sugar spikes or fluid overload, guava might surprise you. Guava is naturally dense, satisfying, and slow to digest. That matters at night. When you eat something that digests too fast, blood sugar can swing up and down while you sleep, which places extra stress on the kidneys. Guava releases its sugars more gradually, helping your body stay steady while you rest. And when your body is calm overnight, your kidneys can focus on filtering waste instead of fighting metabolic chaos. Another reason guava stands out is its fiber content. This isn't just about digestion. Fiber helps redirect waste away from the kidneys and toward the gut. Think of it like giving your kidneys a lighter workload while you sleep. Instead of all the pressure being on filtration through urine, some of that burden is shared by the digestive system. That's a quiet win most people don't realize is happening. Guava also contains natural compounds that support circulation. Healthy circulation means better blood flow through the kidneys, and better blood flow means more efficient filtering. Overnight, when your body enters repair mode, that improved flow can help prevent creatinine from lingering longer than it should. You're not forcing anything, you're simply supporting the body's natural rhythm. Now here's something important. Guava is filling without being heavy. A small portion can curb late-night cravings that usually lead people to salty snacks or processed foods. And those foods, as you know, can trigger fluid retention and higher creatinine levels by morning. Choosing guava instead is like quietly steering your night in a better direction without feeling restricted. There's also a hydration advantage here. Guava has a high water content, but it doesn't flood your system. That gentle hydration supports nighttime urine production without waking you up repeatedly. It's balanced, not too dry, not too watery, which is exactly what stressed kidneys prefer. If you're managing kidney concerns, consistency matters more than extremes. Guava isn't a miracle fruit, and it doesn't need to be. Its strength is that it works with your body instead of shocking it. Night after night, small supportive choices add up. That's how real progress happens. So if you've been looking for a fruit that feels safe, comforting, and supportive before bed, something that doesn't spike, bloat, or burden, guava deserves a closer look. Sometimes the most powerful kidney-friendly habits are the ones that feel simple, familiar, and sustainable. Number 2. Pawpaw Papaya. Let's slow down and talk about pawpaw, also known as papaya, because this is one of those fruits that works quietly in the background while you sleep. It doesn't get much attention in kidney conversations, especially at night, but it really should. If your body tends to feel heavy, bloated, or sluggish in the evening, Pawpaw can feel like a gentle reset rather than a burden. One of the biggest strengths of Pawpaw is how easy it is on digestion. At night, your digestive system naturally slows down. Heavy or complex foods can sit too long, creating fermentation, gas, and metabolic stress that the kidneys eventually have to help clean up. Pawpaw contains natural enzymes that help break food down smoothly, so your system isn't struggling while you're trying to rest. When digestion flows better, less waste circulates in the blood overnight. This matters because creatinine doesn't just come from the kidneys. It's influenced by how efficiently your whole body processes waste. Pawpaw supports that process gently. It's not forcing detox or pushing fluids aggressively. Instead, it helps your body finish the day cleanly, so your kidneys aren't starting the morning already overwhelmed. Another reason Pawpaw shines at night is how it satisfies without overstimulating. It's naturally sweet, but not in a sharp or jittery way. That's important if you're trying to avoid nighttime blood sugar spikes that can silently strain kidney function. Pawpaw offers a calm, steady release of energy that aligns well with sleep and repair. There's also a hydration angle that often gets overlooked. Pawpaw has a soft, water-rich texture that hydrates tissues without flooding your bladder. That balance supports overnight filtration without disrupting sleep. Waking up rested instead of dehydrated or puffy is a small sign your kidneys are being supported, not stressed. What many people love most is how Pawpaw reduces late-night cravings. When the body lacks certain nutrients, it pushes you towards salty snacks, bread, or processed foods. Those choices are tough on the kidneys, especially before bed. A small serving of Pawpaw can quiet that urge and help you end the day feeling nourished instead of restricted. Pawpaw also feels emotionally comforting, and that's not a small thing. Stress hormones affect kidney blood flow more than most people realize. Eating something familiar, gentle, and calming at night helps signal safety to the nervous system. When stress drops, kidney function often improves naturally. This is why Pawpaw isn't about quick results, it's about rhythm. Night after night, it supports digestion, hydration, and calm without asking your kidneys to work harder. And when your kidneys don't have to struggle, they can do what they're meant to do: filter efficiently and steadily. Sometimes the best nighttime choices are the ones that feel soft, simple, and supportive. Pawpaw fits right into that category. Number 3. African Star Apple, Agbalumo/Udara. Let's talk about African Star Apple for a moment, because this fruit is deeply familiar to many people, yet rarely discussed when it comes to kidney health, especially at night. And that's exactly why it deserves attention. Sometimes the most powerful support foods aren't trendy or imported. They're the ones your body already understands. African Star Apple has a uniquely calming effect on the body in the evening. Its taste naturally slows you down. You don't rush through it, you don't overeat it, and that matters at night. When you eat quickly or excessively before bed, your body stays in active mode longer than it should. Star Apple encourages mindfulness, and that subtle slowdown supports better sleep and better overnight kidney function. One overlooked benefit is how it supports fluid balance. At night, the kidneys are sensitive to extremes. Too much fluid causes strain, too little leads to concentration of waste. African Star Apple sits right in the middle. It hydrates gently without overwhelming the system. That balance supports steady filtration while you sleep, instead of sudden pressure that can leave you waking up puffy or fatigued. This fruit is also rich in natural plant compounds that support tissue repair. Overnight is when your body does its deepest repair work, including within the kidneys themselves. When repair processes are supported, waste products like creatinine are managed more efficiently. You're not forcing the kidneys to flush harder, you're helping them function more smoothly. Another important point is satisfaction. African star apple has a complex flavor that signals fullness quickly. That's powerful for people who struggle with nighttime snacking. Late-night salty or processed foods increase sodium load, fluid retention, and morning creatinine levels. Replacing that habit with a small portion of star apple can quietly change how your kidneys feel the next day. There's also a nervous system connection here. The act of eating something familiar and culturally comforting lowers stress hormones. Stress directly affects kidney blood flow, even if you don't feel anxious. When stress drops, filtration improves naturally. This is one of those invisible benefits that doesn't show up immediately but adds up over time. African star apple also supports digestion without heaviness. It doesn't sit in the stomach like a stone, and it doesn't ferment aggressively overnight. That means fewer toxins circulating in the blood for the kidneys to clean up while you sleep. Your system finishes the day cleanly, instead of carrying leftovers into the morning. What makes this fruit special isn't speed or intensity, it's consistency. Night after night, it supports hydration, calm, digestion, and balance. And kidney health is built on balance, not extremes. If you've been overlooking African star apple because it feels too simple or too familiar, this might be the moment to rethink it. Sometimes the body responds best to foods it recognizes, trusts, and handles gently, especially at night, when healing quietly takes place. Number 4. Asian pear, sand pear. Let's talk about the Asian pear, sometimes called the sand pear, because this fruit behaves very differently from most of the sweet fruits people eat at night. If you've ever avoided fruit in the evening out of fear of swelling, sugar spikes, or waking up feeling heavy, this one deserves a second look. Asian pear is incredibly water-rich, but here's the key: it releases that water slowly. At night, your kidneys don't like sudden extremes. Drinking too much fluid late can overwhelm filtration, while eating dry foods can leave waste too concentrated. Asian pear lands right in the middle, gently hydrating tissues without forcing your kidneys into overdrive while you sleep. Another thing that makes this fruit stand out is how light it feels in the stomach. Heavy digestion at night increases metabolic waste, and that waste eventually shows up as extra work for the kidneys. Asian pear digests cleanly and calmly. You don't wake up with that bloated, sluggish feeling that signals your body was working too hard overnight. There's also something special about its texture. That crisp, juicy bite sends a signal of freshness to the body. When your nervous system senses freshness instead of heaviness, stress hormones drop. And lower stress means better blood flow through the kidneys. That improved circulation helps the kidneys filter more efficiently without strain. Asian pear also helps with nighttime cravings in a very practical way. Many people crave crunchy snacks at night, chips, crackers, or salty foods. Those options are rough on kidney health. Asian pear satisfies that same crunch, but without the sodium load that causes fluid retention and morning puffiness. It's a simple swap that can make a noticeable difference over time. What's often overlooked is how Asian pear supports smooth elimination. When digestion is supported, waste exits the body through the gut instead of lingering in the bloodstream. That means less cleanup work for the kidneys while you sleep. Over time, this can help stabilize creatinine levels by reducing overall waste pressure. There's also a calming ritual aspect to eating an Asian pear at night. You don't rush it. You slice it, chew slowly, and naturally wind down. That ritual signals to your body that the day is ending. Sleep quality improves, and better sleep is directly linked to healthier kidney function. The kidneys repair and rebalance most effectively during deep rest. This fruit doesn't promise dramatic overnight results, and that's actually its strength. Kidney health improves through steady, gentle support. Asian pear fits into that philosophy perfectly. It doesn't shock the system, doesn't overload fluids, and doesn't spike sugar. If your goal is to wake up feeling lighter, less swollen, and more refreshed, the Asian pear offers a quiet kind of help. Night after night, those small choices add up, and your kidneys notice the difference, even if it takes time to show on paper. Number 5. Watermelon rind. Let's talk about watermelon rind, because this is one of the most overlooked parts of a fruit, and quietly one of the most supportive at night. Most people throw it away without realizing it behaves very differently from the sweet red flesh. And that difference is exactly why it matters for kidney health. At night, the kidneys don't need sugar overload. They need gentle support. Watermelon rind is low in sugar but high in structured water, meaning it hydrates without spiking blood sugar or overwhelming filtration. That balance helps the kidneys keep waste moving steadily instead of letting it concentrate overnight. What's interesting is how light it feels in the body. When you consume something heavy or sweet late in the evening, your system stays active longer than it should. Watermelon rind settles quickly. It doesn't sit, ferment, or create that uncomfortable fullness that signals extra work for your organs. Your body can relax, and relaxed systems filter better. Watermelon rind also naturally encourages mild urine flow without acting like a harsh diuretic. That's important. The goal overnight isn't to force flushing, but to support smooth, continuous elimination. When waste moves gently, creatinine is less likely to linger in the bloodstream by morning. There's also a calming effect to knowing you're nourishing your body without excess. That mental ease lowers stress hormones, which directly affect kidney blood flow. Better flow means better filtration, quietly, efficiently, while you sleep. This isn't about extremes or quick fixes. Watermelon rind works because it's subtle. Night after night, small supportive choices like this help your kidneys do their job without strain. Sometimes the most powerful support comes from what everyone else ignores. Summary. Tonight, you learned something most people never consider. That nighttime choices can quietly influence how well your kidneys manage creatinine by morning. We explored unusual fruits that don't overload sugar, don't strain filtration, and instead support gentle hydration, smoother digestion, and calmer overnight kidney function. The key takeaway isn't perfection or extremes, but timing and balance. Small, thoughtful choices before bed can reduce unnecessary stress on the kidneys and help them do what they're designed to do while you sleep. When you support the body's natural rhythm instead of fighting it, progress becomes more sustainable and more realistic. If this video opened your eyes even a little, imagine what consistent, small changes can do over time. Kidney health isn't built overnight, but it is protected overnight by the choices you make before sleep. Start simple. Stay consistent. And listen to your body. If you found this helpful, take a moment to like the video so more people who need this information can find it. Subscribe for more research-backed, practical kidney tips, and let me know in the comments which of these surprised you the most, or which one you plan to try tonight.